outlook is world consumption is projected to grow at 1.7%, here at 3.75%, and at the CAGR is over 2%. Carryover stocks are about 53.5 million, which is the lowest in the recent past, and consistent postponement of demand for higher prices and means bunching of the price. This I have covered already. The repeat of 1974 and 80 may happen. Now this is the general scenario on Indian sugar industry as well as world sugar scenario and what we intend to do. I would end my presentation and over to my colleague with two things. A, we said we will continue to make profits and we are able to do it. And again I say that next quarter will again come back to you with same profit, if not higher, probably we may be higher. Then we'll also very glad to inform you that the refinery which we are putting up will be a step change in our production capability and turnover by another 700-750 crores. Then I'll hand over to Sanjay and thank you for hearing.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is quite a happy moment for Symbolic to share the results which have been the best in the past. At a turnover of 325 crore rupees, the company made a net profit after tax of 43 crore rupees and pre-tax of 51 crore rupees. Historically, we have been thinking this type of profits for a year, not for the quarter. But this time, it has been resulted for the quarter. And let me tell you, this is not a windfall profits. It's not a profiteering also. It's the results of the business plan, results of the diversity or balancing which we have planned in a couple of years before. We started thinking that whenever there is a shortage in India, India need to import the sugar, and at best the sugar can be imported in the raw form only. We created capacities and expertise and technical knowledge to develop or to convert that raw sugar into the white. And Symbolic today one of the most efficient processor of raw sugar in the country. Size-wise, we are not as big as Renuka is, so far as the raw is concerned. Not as big as the Bajaj is, so far as the cane is concerned. But efficiency-wise, you can count that we are none less than that. So this is what the Symbolic is today. A number what you are seeing is that in spite of the problems or whatever we call it in UP, we have been able to process 80,000 tons of raw from October 1st, 2009 onwards. And mind it, this is the season. In off-season coming, there will be much more than 3 to 4 times of this raw sugar will be processed at the factory. Our realization at 32,800 rupees per ton for the white sugar is the highest, I believe so, in the industry. This is because of the quality. This is because of the product mix, the specialty sugar which we are using. We are still carrying a lot of sugar, which in the time to come will result the profit. And that sugar is priced at cost. We have been able to reduce our debts substantially by deploying the funds. And also, we are thinking to set up a business line which is different but related. We are setting up a refinery in Kandla, which will not only give a top line, but a good, healthy bottom line also to the government. A very quick snapshot of the results, though there is a comparative with the previous quarter, but let me tell you the results are in no way comparison to the previous quarters. The sales is 1.5 times more. The earnings are nearly 400-500 times more. And it's a total turnaround story from a loss to the profits. Because of high volume, of course the sugar prices have contributed a lot on that account, but the multiplier factor has been the large quantity of sugar which we have produced and sold. So these numbers have been distributed to all of you and are also available on the website of the company. But certainly, let me tell you, I have did a comparison of other sugar companies also. This is one of the most robust which we have found it out. On the segment front, sugar and power contributed positively, alcohol negatively, as I have been talking to some of you in a one-to-one talking, etc. When there is a less sugar cane, it means there is a less molasses. There is a less molasses means less alcohol. Less alcohol means the capacities remain unutilized and earnings become low. However, my belief is in the coming quarters this will be covered and we'll be reaching to the break-even on that. And these results have come without taking any benefits of the UP.